Hey, Corwyn Melette here. I'm broker owner of Corwyn J. Melette and Associates, and I am a better qualified client. Really enjoyed working with the team over there. Matt is one of our contacts over there. But our experience with Better Qualified, they have lived up to what they said they would do. I first encountered them at a trade show. I'm in the real estate industry. Just about a year ago. Reviewed their program, what they did, had some conversations back and forth, and then decided to enter into their program. Obviously, we are a independent company, or were an independent company at the time. And Better Qualified assisted us in establishing trade lines with a number of vendors. And most recently, we've established a trade line that gives us a few $1,000s of credit. And all this without a personal guarantee, which is what was very important to us to make sure that our business was able to stand alone going forward. So very pleased with the Better Qualified program. Would advise it to any business owner who is seeking to establish themselves as an independent business separate from their personal financials or assets. So any questions, let me know. But again, Better Qualified is definitely the right route to take. Thank you.